I'm very mindful of what the general perception is of lawyers, okay? And in a lot of respects, it's not a positive conception of what people think. And so one of the things I've always made a very important part of my career is reversing some of those negative conceptions that people have, or really misconceptions of what people have as lawyer. What does that mean? That means, first of all, I'm going to get to know you at the human level. And when you come to me, it's an individual who has 5 children, one of which has a significant medical problem that's ongoing. And so I'm going to be able to look at your family and deeply understand how you have been affected. The other misconception of lawyers is that you never really talk to us, right? You talk to a paralegal or someone at the front desk. Completely not the case with my firm. We do have paralegals, and we do have people at the front desk, and we have some great staff. But once a case has reached the level where I've looked through it and it's a case, literally 98% of the time, you're dealing directly with me. And by that I mean you're texting me, you're calling me and I pick up, and if I can't pick up, I'm calling you right back. And I get to know you, and I get to know your family. And if you need me for a question, I'm there. It doesn't matter if it's a Saturday or a Sunday. If there's a bad part of the case, I'm telling you right away, and I'm telling you how we get around it. In terms of what to expect throughout the case, I'm guiding you through it. I'm also kind of, honestly, helping you focus on taking a case step by step, because litigation is difficult. But what I pride myself most on is being so experienced in this area of work that I can tell you this is likely how it's going to play out. And when I see that it played out that way, that's when I feel the best for my clients, because I've explained to them what's going to happen most likely. Thankfully, it happened that way. And then after a case has either been successfully won or settled, I'm there to help you with how to use that money the safest and the smartest to take care of your family. I work with people who set up special needs trusts. I work with people who offer you wealth management advice, structured settlement advice, annuity advice, to make sure that what we got you and your family is preserved and safe and earning money for you. And then the last thing I would say, and this is honest and I love it, I stay in touch with a wide majority of my clients for literally decades. We go to lunch after cases. Years later, we'll catch up. Whenever I'm driving a decent distance, I go through my contacts and I hit on a client I haven't talked to in a few months and we catch up. And it's awesome. I literally tell people at the end of a case, and I mean it, I'm their lawyer for life. So I think when you come to our firm, you're gonna get human service. You're gonna get people who care, people who are emotionally invested in your case. And I think we're gonna dispel the misconceptions about what it's like to deal with a lawyer.